Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today, I'm gonna get to try out some new rubs and sauces. It's coming from TD's Brew and BBQ. And one of the first ones that I have is the 3 chili cilantro. And in here, you have it's out of New Mexico, first off. And you have the red and green chilies, jalapenos and serranos, and also cilantro, is in the title. And another one is the Habanero honey mango. So I'm gonna use this one today. Let's just see about it. Then on top of that, we have the atomic pineapple. That sounds exciting. And the cherry chipotle. So today, I'm going to be using habanero honey mango and cherry chipotle on some chicken thighs. And also, got a cool sticker going on the sticker board as well. And he also sent a sample packet of their zesty taco seasoning. Don't let the name fool you. I think it's just something that you can probably put on anything in there. It's just called the zesty taco seasoning. But I'll try this later. Today, we're doing some spicy chicken thighs. Let's do this. Alright, so let's get this started. This is going to be a real simple cook. I'm using one rub, so it shouldn't take long. But we're going to get this covered on the back side first. Not really sure if I want to put a lot on here or not. I've tasted it. It's got a little kick. It's got quite a bit of kick to it, I'm going to say. But if it ain't spicy, it ain't right. So let's just see how this works out. And I can already smell it. It's starting to tingle in my nose a little. So usually means it's probably gonna be good. All right, I'm gonna flip these over, get the other side. Now the color of it, I would like to think it's probably gonna leave a pretty good color on it when it's finished. I don't foresee it being like any sugars in here that's gonna like make it dark or anything once that caramelizes. Okay, let that set in and go get the pit boss ready. All right, let's go and get these on here. It's probably take about an hour, maybe a little more. We'll check back on them in 30 minutes. And I'm using the Pit Boss competition blend and a mixture of that and apple pellets at 350 degrees. Okay, these have been going for 30 minutes now. What I'm gonna do is spray it with some spray butter, then flip them over. Spray the back side. And let it go for about another 15 minutes. And I'm gonna check the temp and the saucing. Alright, it's been about another 15 minutes, or about 45 minutes on here. We're gonna check the temps. In the 170s. 170s. Check this bigger one. It's close to 170 as well. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and sauce these. That way, another 15 minutes, they'll be ready to come off. And it's about to rain, so I might just be finishing up right in time. And of course, I'm trying this cherry chipotle sauce. Whoa! Lost one! Man down! Well, we'll get the rest of them. And we're going to get this back on for another 10 to 15 and we'll take it off. And there you have it. That's the finished product. Now the only thing left to do, go ahead and give it a taste. Let's go and give it a taste. Man, that was good. You saw how juicy it was. The juice is just dripping all over the place. I have to clean that up now, make it work for myself. But that, oh yeah, here it comes. That beautiful heat. Yeah, tell you, in the beginning, you know, that sauce, it's so flavorful. But I was starting to wonder, was I ever gonna get the heat out of it? It actually came on the back end, which is how you really like to do it. You like for people to get that great flavor in the front, then get that little bit of kick in the back. And that's exactly what I got out of this. Was not disappointed. This was some great products to try. Once again, it was TD's Brew and BBQ. I'm gonna leave his information down in the description. He has a YouTube channel as well. Like I said, he's out of New Mexico. Check him out. Check out his videos. He makes some great videos with his products, so you can pretty much see what you can use them on. And man, I'm definitely gonna get some more of this because that was good, man. Okay, so let me get back to my stuff now. If you're not a subscriber yet, go and subscribe to this channel. Click the thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you like anything that I use on my shows, I have links down in the description for how to get you some of those. And I'm ready to eat. So I'm about to talk to y'all later. Subscribe.